Wheel bearing dust caps may be small in size, but they play a big role in protecting wheel bearings from dirt, water, or debris. Dust caps can be found on some brake rotors, brake drums, or wheel hubs. They're most common on older vehicles with serviceable tapered wheel bearings, but are occasionally used on some sealed bearing hubs, primarily in the rear. Wheel bearings such as these that install onto a spindle require a nut for bearing retention and adjustment. These dust caps are installed afterwards to protect the bearings from the elements. When installed, these dust caps are held in place by an interference fit. This means that the dust cap is slightly larger in size than the bore it is installed in. That creates a tight fit, which not only holds them in place, but prevents grease from leaking out or contaminants from getting in. What this also means is that dust caps can be difficult to remove or install. There are special tools designed to remove the caps so they aren't damaged. When it comes time to install the cap, a rubber mallet or hammer should be used to gently tap the cap in place until it is fully seated. Using the incorrect tools and methods can damage the dust caps, and bent caps can contact the spindle, wheel bearing retaining nut, or cotter pin. If there is grease leaking around the cap, it is a sign the cap is damaged and loose fitting, meaning it's time to replace it. Again, they may seem small, but dust caps should not be overlooked. Most of them are readily available, and recommending one to your customer on those applications that require them is just one more way to help them get the job done the right way the first time. Thanks for joining us.